Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to source some inventory on Costco, and yeah, I'll keep you updated and let's see what we can find there. So just stop along the way, take a Costa coffee, and yeah, let's go to work. Okay, finally, after 2 hours sitting on the queue, we've been able to get into the Costco. So let's see what is available here. So yeah, this is I think a first product. I already sell this. So yeah, it's 143. So I'll show you how do I scan it. So basically I find the barcode if I can find it. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, here, find the barcode. Uh, yeah, I open the Amazon app and yeah, I hit this button on top. So yeah, I'm going to scan it. So yeah, it's 199 on Amazon. Here it's 143. So if you can click on it, 199. Yeah, let's see. Amazon it sell it for 199, which is, yeah, it's okay. So here it's already in 144 the price, so should be $34, 34 pounds because we are in UK profit on this product. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a bunch of this. So and also I forgot to tell that on this product I will get 2% cash back because I have a business account with Costco, so the price will be less. Oh yeah, we still some of them left for, I don't know, maybe someone else want to buy it. But yeah, let's see the next one. So I found this other product here. It's yeah, big wipers. I know it's good, but I'm not gonna take it because it's not much profit margin on it. I already sold this. If I scan it, okay, yeah, so basically it's selling for 34 pounds, 35 pounds. So yeah, let's see, it should be 6 pounds profit, but in reality is not, because this figure should be let's say 1 pound shipped to Amazon, and Amazon fulfillment, it's 4 pounds, 5 pounds, 5 pounds profit, which 5.59, which is not too bad, but only because there are how many, it's too less of a, so I'm going to pass this. Okay, the stock is in now. Okay, here the job is done. Yeah, I did buy only one product. Funny how people watch, me like a freak when you say they see you 10-11 units of the same item. You say, oh, why do you do all this with all this stuff? So yeah, they watching you like a freak. Okay, I will yeah, I'll go to the next Costco if I can find something else. Okay, here arrive at Costco. The problem is half an hour queue. So I find only these two products here. I'm not gonna scan it because I know, because I already sell this, so I know that's selling. Yeah, pretty much it's nothing more to left. So yeah, pretty much it for today. Like, yeah, I buy only this and this Costco. There's another one, but it's kind of far, so I'm not gonna go today. Yeah, now I go home and I have to ship it to Amazon, to the warehouses. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and pretty much it. Subscribe if you don't, and see you next time.